Hey there, Kellie McRae here with another episode of New Tech Tuesday. So I want to show you guys that if you're ready to clean up your friend list, a lot of times people will wait until it's someone's birthday and they'll delete them that way. And a lot of us have a method, if you will, to the madness. So I want to clean up my friends list here, but I don't want to have to go through them one by one. And I really don't want to have to wait until their birthday to say, who the heck is that, and remove them. So I have found this Chrome extension called Friends Removal. So what you basically do is you would go out to Google, you would search remove all friends or friends removal, and you will actually find this Chrome extension. So I've already added this to Chrome. I'm going to kind of show you all how it works. So here is where it is represented, so to speak, and once I've added it as a Chrome extension. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to open up all of my friends in the whole 9 yards, and it's going to give a count here, and it's pulling in everybody that it can possibly pull in so that you can kind of go through your whole list. Now, I'm not sure what's shielding some people because it's showing here that I've only got 1437 friends, whereas over here it's showing 1749, but that's fine. We can still obviously get rid of a lot of people. Now, what I found is the very top of the list are the people that you have the most interaction with, so you probably don't want to get rid of them. So I tend to scroll all the way to the bottom, because what's going to happen at the very bottom is these are going to be the people who are the least active. So you just start selecting these different people that are the least active or that you want to get rid of. And then there may be some people that you are interacting with that maybe you're not overly thrilled with with the way that they interact with you. And I know that for me, that's often a lot of what will drive me to kind of get rid of people. So I'm just going to go through here and cancel a lot of this. And then I'm just going to remove friends. So it asks me if I'm sure I want to remove these friends and tells me that it cannot be undone. I'm pretty positive I want these people gone. So I am now going to remove these people, and it says, awesome, you have deleted 16 friends. I'm going to go back and do many more, but I don't need you guys watching all of that. But thanks for using the extension, blah, blah, blah. And I'm not going to rate or anything right now. I'm just going to close this and consider myself finished, if you will. And let's see, now when I go back over to my Facebook page, I'm down to 1733. So this is just a quick and easy way for you all to eliminate people that are disruptive, or people that you no longer interact with, or whatever it is that you want to be rid of them for. So hopefully this has helped someone, and if it has, please feel free to share. Come on over to Facebook, you see where I am, and come visit with me. All right, thank you and have an amazing day. Ciao.